Look what the cat brought in.
Ready to rip, dog, or what?
It's way too cold for this.
Dude, it actually feels really good.
Really?
Yeah, I like taking clothes off right now. I'm like sweating.
Jeez. Hey, watch out for the grass, you know, don't drive in that.
Dude, when I pulled in, like, no lie, I was like, thank the Lord. Like,
yeah.
I can't see anything in the grass because, like, genuinely, dude, I felt so bad.
Said, what are you doing? I was like, chilling with your dog. What are you doing?
So, let's take a look in here. What if I forgot the key? That'd be really funny, wouldn't it? Oh, shop's unlocked, of course. I mean, shop's locked, of course, you know. Look at this thing. Sheesh. Kyle said he tried to drive it, but it didn't have the key, so.
Jake caught us.
Oh, I'll take the green one. The green one. So, guys, we're gonna go ride today. This is probably my first and last GROM vlog because I used to vlog GROMs all the time, but I'll get into that later. But we gotta take this thing out. I haven't even ridden this thing. It needs gas, that's for sure. We're gonna go to a few stunt spots maybe here and there, do some wheelies on some back roads. I gotta pump up this front tire and let some air out of the back tire. So we gotta do a little swap around.
I had to do the same thing. And remember how I was telling you I'm having a hard time yanking up in first gear?
Yeah.
Second gear, no problem.
Oh, so let's get the helmet on and get ready to go. Oh, baby. Wow, look how cool we look. I haven't done this in forever. All right. Dude, look at this front suspension clap. Motocross rider right here. First initial ride. I've actually rode this thing before. One time. Oh, back brakes were good. That's a good thing because we're going to need those today. Oh, I'm going to miss second at least 50 times today. Nope, ain't happening. Boy, this is weird making a freaking vlog on a GROM again. Now, if you guys are triple OGs, then you will know that I used to have another channel strictly for motovlogging on GROMs. I tried it for about 3 years, and honestly, it's not for me. It's not like for me, but I tried really hard and I didn't get anywhere with it because that's when motovlogging was like super big and like people were like, everybody was trying to motovlog, and now it's kind of died out. And so like, I'm not gonna be motovlogging much. Oh, we're about to get freaking hit. But yeah, I'm not gonna be trying to motovlogging anytime soon. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's gonna be weird for me to try to get back used to GROMs. Oh, we're revving her out. We're revving. Bing bong. Do I have a horn? Oh yeah. I forgot about horns. Get freaking gap, baby. Get gap. Oh no, he's fast. No. Draft. Oh, I forgot how fun this is, man. This thing's slow as ass, bro. I probably won't make motovlogs. You guys asked for it, and so I was like, all right. I mean, I'll just do one, but this will probably be it because I don't want to start this to be on my channel much. I mainly got this to have fun, a little fun with on the side, and you know, scoot around town and stuff with it. So let me know what you think about this video, and maybe it'll get some decent views, but who knows. Man, we gotta definitely go get Buddy on this thing. I don't think he's ever even ridden a GROM. All right, we need some gas. Oh dude, she's empty. I'm gonna go broke after this freaking fill up. Bing bong, let's go to Braden's house. Yeah, I used to motovlog like almost every day in college, so if you want to go find that channel, I'll leave a very well hidden link somewhere in this video or on my last video somewhere, so you guys will have to look for it. But I'm not gonna make it obvious because it is pretty embarrassing, and I did it when I was so young. We do have a dragon trip soon, and I don't know if I'm gonna be riding this or if I'm gonna be riding someone else's car, or maybe hopefully I'll have a car by April. So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna keep this for a little while. Gonna find something cool to trade it for. Now, I did find something on Facebook. Definitely crashed in the front, definitely wrecked the bumper, both front fenders, and the hood. And so I'm thinking about cutting off everything and making a tube chassis in the front end of this car, and it would be an absolute track monster. You guys let me know if like that's something you guys would want to see on the channel. Oh, they might not be here. Oh jeez. All right, he's definitely probably not here. I don't know if he's here or not. We'll give him a little call. Okay, all right, let's get our show on the road. Let's get our road on the show. All right, let's see if I can pull a first gear wheelie. I'm running out of gear. Okay, I got it almost back all the way. I used to have so many good times on my GROM, but you know, for me right now, cars is where it's at. And I used to have a supermoto. I really did like my supermoto. I just didn't like, I just knew I couldn't make content on it, so that's why I sold it and got the Porsche. But we are gonna be back at something fun here soon. That is definitely the answer. Oh, I can see behind us now. We have a... Oh, I almost hit the trash can. I wasn't paying it. I was looking at my mirror. And, yeah, that happened. So, guys, if you didn't notice, I didn't post last Friday. I'm kind of doing a big video. I'm recording this before I leave for Salt Lake City later today. But, we are headed to Park City, Utah, and doing a lot of fun stuff there. Snowmobiling, skiing, you know, the whole nine. And, we are gonna have a lot of fun, but I'm gonna make one video, and that's gonna be this Friday's video. I'm gonna skip the vlog week number 5 or 6 this week, or last week, so that I can, you know, film a dope video in Salt Lake City for you guys. Probably won't be much vlogging, more of just like, you know, a travel vlog kind of type deal. So gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna bring the camera for you guys to watch on the snowmobile, and maybe a little bit of skiing. I don't know yet. Maybe one montage of skiing. I don't know. I'm hoping to meet up with a few people and shoot a couple Broncos, so it should be a lot of fun. I'm kind of excited for this week. It's gonna be pretty dope. So stay tuned for this Friday's video, and I'm sorry I didn't post last Friday because I know you guys love the vlog week, so we'll be back next week for sure with those, so stay tuned. Let's see what else we can get into today. We're absolutely menaces. Oh god, he's ascending. Oh my god, you got air. Oh, you got a little twisty, baby. I saw that tail end just like wiggle a little bit. I was like, oh boy, here we go. You did come off the ground. I hope you know that. Ah! There you go. There we go, there we go. Ah! I wonder if I could start out going like, I can't remember the speed you used to go for the wheelies, you know? Jake. I can pop it up, I just can't hold it there. I need different gearing. I need a second gear wheelie machine. There we go. I got a decent one right there. See, I can drop it back. I finally, dude, it took me so long to get brake control. All right, here we go. Ah! Why am I leaning right? That was pretty good. Ah! Woo! About to be soaked. Yeah! There we go, there we go. Right out of gear. Dude, that was pretty good. Look at me go. Getting the hang of it. Even though my foot's soaking wet, it was kind of sketchy. Brittany's going down the sidewalk. Let's see if I can slow her down. Save that video. I want it. I want it. I gotta let them know I'm back. Alright, let's get in. Let's get after it. Head on back. Why am I going right? I don't understand, because the curve of the road. Yeah, burnouts. I love this bike. Oh man, what an absolutely fun day that was. I mean, honestly, we got pretty rowdy on the GROM. I'm glad I got wheelies back a little bit, but we'll still have to work on them a little bit. This thing did amazing for its first time. Jake did good, did some nice burnouts, dude.
Not bad for 6 months off the bike.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, this first good day opener. Britt killed it. We're gonna have to teach her some burnouts on this thing for sure.
It's gonna be 70 degrees this weekend.
And I'm
it's
gonna be
a bummer you're gonna be gone, but
I'm
we're
free.
riding. I don't know about you.
You need to ride
a snowboard.
Send me some videos, please. Yeah, we had a ton of fun on this thing. Definitely gonna have to come out and ride it some more. Let me know what you guys think of this video. I might do another one. I don't know, probably not, but guys, stay tuned. Hope you guys have had a good week. I'll see you guys on Friday's video of the official Salt Lake City, Park City video. See you guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
There we go. See this guy? See, sometimes I forget, and then Jake helps me out, so it all works out. See you guys later.
Timmy, I like you, and I like that you have a thing for Sadie. Take Sadie out to dinner tomorrow after choir rehearsal.
That's awesome, dude. Have a good night.
Yes, a moose can run 35 miles an hour. You ain't out maneuvering a moose in this terrain. I like your hat.
You do TikTok? You do TikTok?
Hey, you're that dude off of TikTok. That's the dude off of TikTok. Yes. Like they took him in the ambulance. Yeah, so I don't even know if we'll be able to ride snowmobiles tomorrow.
Dude, look at this machine right here. This yellows.